Hi there and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be showing off a game that I helped to develop as part of a group project for CSE442. The game is called Pendragon, and if you'd like to learn more about it, you can come to the website here. I'll leave a link in the description, but that is pendragongame.github.io. Here you can just learn about the game and how to play it, and also you can download it as well. You can also have access to the GitHub repo. It is open source, so if you'd like to contribute to it or just make your own fork and then develop off of it, you can do that as well. So we'll get straight to the game. I won't download it from the website. I'm just going to run it off my local develop branch here. Yep, npm start. There we go. So we'll just give it a second to boot up. Close the developer tools. Alright, and so here's the main menu. You can see we've got some music playing. We can obviously play a new game. We can also load some old saves. You can save and load different games, so you can pick up where you left off. We also have two settings. I'll go ahead and mute the music for the remainder of the video. You can also put it in full screen mode if you'd like, but I'm just going to keep it in window mode. Also, obviously, you could exit the game, but so we'll go ahead and start a new game here. So the point of the game, we'll press escape for help. So you can see we have a pause menu here. Here's where you could save the game. You can see the controls, how to play it. But so the purpose of the game is this is your character here in the middle, and it's a medieval style role-playing game where the main idea is that actions that you commit in the world will actually have consequences on your reputation with the NPCs. That is only so long as somebody witnesses it. So in typical RPG games, you might find that you'll commit an act, and even though no one saw you, someone will know about it. And not only that, but everybody knows about it at the same time. So the way we wanted to try to solve that problem is by using an algorithm that we created called ripple gossip. And so what that means is you can see here that I'm currently in this town and there's plenty of people around. And so if I were to do something, you'd expect them to react. But if I go, say, over this way where there's not any NPCs, then I could get away with stuff. So we're going to go ahead and play around with this. First of all, you can see that I have health, reputation, and stamina. Reputation being the important one here. I start off with a neutral reputation here, so it's right in the middle. That's because I haven't done anything yet. So let's see what happens as I start to do things. So we'll come here to a populated area because I want a lot of NPCs around to see what I do. And before I do anything, you can see that I have several different weapons to choose from in the top right corner. I have a sword, also have a bow and arrow, and I have a spear. So I'll just use the sword for now. And so let's go ahead and kill one of these people. Well, I'll pick this guy. Okay, so they clearly did not like that. And you can see my reputation bar in the top left is already going into the negative. But I'll try and run away from those people. So we're going to wait around. Okay, so she's not happy. He's not happy. And try to stay away. And so you can see the NPCs that actually saw me commit that act have more of a negative reputation than the ones that didn't. And that's because the ones that didn't don't know about it yet. But hopefully if this... Okay, so you can see this person down here. He clearly didn't see me commit the... Okay, I gotta kill some of these people. Okay, but that guy that I just killed, he was down here the whole time. He didn't see what I did up here. And you could see as I committed the act, he still didn't know about it, not until that woman came into his general area and essentially told him about it. And so the reputation bar on screen is just an aggregate value of everybody. So everybody like on your screen area, it's like an average reputation. So if I kind of run out this way, okay, well, so there's monsters over here. They hate me by default. But if I can kind of get away, which I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, there we go. So my reputation in this area is neutral. That's because there's no one around me. But like I said, as I come more near these villagers who don't like me, then my reputation starts to go down. And my reputation's not so bad yet as, okay, well, this guy wants to attack me. But not every, okay. So yeah, see, that information is starting to propagate, and they're starting to get more aggressive. you can see I also implemented a pirate ship here that's attacking the coast. And if somebody gets hit, or one of the NPCs gets hit by the cannon, other NPCs that witness that will also react to the pirate ship. So what I'm going to do is, I could also show off the inventory system real quick. We do have an inventory that allows you to carry food, obviously the weapons, the 3 that you have, and also miscellaneous items. Right now, all that's in there is a tunic. There's not really any use for the miscellaneous items yet. That's because we haven't implemented quests or anything like that. But we just have that there so that it would be available if we did go ahead and implement the quests. So I'll get rid of, well, hold on. So you can see that my food, I have 1 apple available, and my health is not at full capacity. So what I'll do is I can press the E key, and that'll eat the first food item in my inventory. You can see it's gone now. And get around this guy. Here's a piece of mutton laying on the ground that I can pick up. I could also go ahead and eat that. But just to demonstrate the ripple gossip more, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go head over towards the monsters. Because like I said, they hate me by default, so that means they'll chase me by default. And what I can do is I can lure them into the village and see what happens when I kill monsters in front of the villagers. Because what the idea is that the monsters pose a threat to the villagers, so if I can kill some of them and the NPCs know about that, then my reputation should hopefully go up. And that's saying hopefully in that I haven't killed too many of them, that my reputation is, sort of irredeemable. But so, all right. Okay, so actually now the monsters are reacting positively because the villagers hate me. You see that? It's kind of like a common enemy thing. So I'm going to try to get a shot on these monsters without killing another NPC. Oh, it might be more difficult than I thought. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now these monsters don't like that I killed one of their friends, you see? Running out of stamina, it's making it difficult. Let's see if good thing that civilian got killed there. Alright, so I killed another one here. Okay, and so you can see my reputation is sort of being adjusted based on who I'm near. You can see it's a little more negative here that I'm near a monster, but I'll kill him. And these people here, unfortunately they're stuck on this corner. They're reacting positively to the fact that I killed that monster. This woman still doesn't like me, but that's okay, because you can see these people are starting to. And you can see that some people are reacting differently than others. Everybody has their own opinion of you, which really makes the game that much more dynamic. I'm just going to kill all these people here. This looks like they're stuck. Picked up a couple new inventory items. I can eat those. But yeah, so you can see it's a pretty interesting concept. Sure, there's probably a few kinks we got to work out and some game decisions that we could expand upon. But overall, it's a really fun project, and I think it turned out pretty good. So, like I said, if you'd like to experiment with this yourself or make your own, branch of the repository on GitHub, you can certainly do that. But at any rate, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.